If you want to run Linux or build cybersecurity labs, the first tool you need is VirtualBox. And the good news is it's completely free. In this video, I'll show you how to install it step by step on Windows. Open your browser and type download VirtualBox. Press enter. Click on the first link. Oracle VirtualBox, commonly called VirtualBox, is a free open source virtualization software developed by Oracle Corporation. VirtualBox lets you run multiple operating systems on a single computer. Instead of installing a new OS directly on your machine, you can just install it inside the virtual machine. You can run Windows 10 inside Linux. You can run Ubuntu inside Windows. You can run a different computer inside your favorite computer. The latest version of VirtualBox is 7.2.8, and VirtualBox is cross-platform, which means you can install it on many operating systems such as Windows, macOS, Linux, Solaris. Click here to download it for Windows. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. If you want to learn more about VirtualBox, the best way is to check the documentation. Click here. The documentation has three main parts: user guide, developer documentation, and enterprise documentation. As I said earlier, VirtualBox is open source, which means you can access the source code and customize it using the developer documentation. Companies also use VirtualBox, so the enterprise documentation is useful for them. For end user like us, the user guide is sufficient. This is the user guide. The download is complete. We can now proceed with the installation. Then follow the installation user. Click next. You must accept the license agreement before continue. Next. Let's keep all the settings as default. The warning message says that during the installation of VirtualBox networking, your network connection will be temporarily disconnected, but don't worry, it is normal. If you see a message about missing dependencies, don't worry, VirtualBox will still work properly. Just press yes. Keep everything as default. Click yes, and then click install. The installation is complete. You can now launch VirtualBox and explore the interface. You can use preference to change the default virtual machine folder, change the language, update the software. On the Home tab, you will see your default virtual machine. The New button is used to create a virtual machine. The Open is used to import an existing virtual machine. With the Extension tab, you can add extension to VirtualBox. In the Media tab, you can see the virtual hard disk of your machines. Create new one, extend them, or delete them. In the Network tab, you can configure networking for your virtual machine and create different networks. The Cloud tab is used to connect to cloud server online. You can use VirtualBox to connect to AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. The Resources tab show how your computer resources are being used. Now you have successfully installed VirtualBox on your Windows machine, and you are ready to start creating the virtual machines. In the next video, I will install Linux server inside VirtualBox and start create a cybersecurity project. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.